Welcome to EdbMails Windows Data Recovery Software. Data loss can happen anytime, whether you accidentally delete files or empty the recycle bin. EdbMails Windows Data Recovery Software helps you recover permanently deleted files safely from both internal and external storage devices. The software performs secure read-only scanning, ensuring your original data is never modified. You can view deleted files and recover only what you need. EdbMails supports a wide range of storage devices: internal hard drives, solid-state drives, USB flash drives, and SD cards. Whether your data was deleted from your system drive or external storage, the software delivers a reliable recovery experience. After scanning, all recoverable files are displayed in an organized structure. You can verify file names, folders, and structure before recovery, making it easy to identify the data you actually need. Instead of restoring everything, you can selectively choose the files and folders to recover. This saves time, storage space, and gives you full control over the process. Category-based filtering helps quickly locate specific file type. Recoverable files are organized into categories such as photos, videos, documents, archives, and more, ideal for navigating large scan results efficiently. Supported file types include documents like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and PDF. Images such as JPG, PNG, BMP, and GIF. Videos including MP4, AVI, MKV, and MOV, as well as compressed files like zip, RAR, and 7Z, plus many other common Windows file format. EdbMails automatically detects all connected storage devices, allowing you to select the drive and start recovery instantly, without manual configuration. EdbMails handles multiple data loss scenarios: recover files deleted from the recycle bin, restore files removed from USB drives or SD cards, retrieve files permanently deleted using Shift+Delete. EdbMails offers a free trial to scan and view recoverable files, with full recovery available after license activation. Recover your deleted files with confidence using EdbMails Windows Data Recovery Software. Download it today for safe, reliable, and efficient data recovery on Windows. Try EdbMails for free today.